Hello everyone, I am back again with one of the latest tools developed by me using the LangGraph and Gemini 2.5 Flash model. And especially this tool is again, it's related to life science and healthcare area. And I'm trying to help a doctor, that's doctor day on day basis. On his daily routine, he has to scan so many images. It could be your x-ray, it could be MRI, CT scan, anything. So just to help or assist a medical practitioner, I have developed this utility, and the utility name is, let me tell you what the utility name is: the medical image analysis system. So basically, this image is the basically medical image analysis system based on the Python, LangGraph, and Gemini Vision, Google Gemini Vision model to scan any sort of the images and try to find what type of disease that image contains or having. So let's go quickly to the my Git repo where I have already uploaded the source code, having more theoretical description. So let me go back to here and let's me open this one, architecture diagram. So architecture diagram, you can see the exact detail. So tool name medagent AI in short, and AI powered medical image analysis. I said earlier, it's using LangGraph and Gemini 2.5 Flash model. We have a three layer. One is the presentation layer, that's a Streamlit web interface. Middle one, that's the critical and most important. This one is the orchestration layer, and based on the LangGraph multi-agent workflow. This system or this tool has been used as seven different types of agents. So agent one, image processing; image two, agent two, vision analysis; image three, disease identification; image four, root cause analysis; image five, medication orchestration; agent six, treatment plan; and agent seven, it's give summarized report to a doctor. And the bottom one is the Gemini 2.5 Flash AI model layer. Coming to the tech stack, so LangGraph 1.0.3, Gemini 2.5 Flash, Streamlit 1.4.0.2, and the Python 3.11. Now let's come to the jump to the solution part. So solution, this is the solution one. Solution one, multi-agentic system. Primarily, I'm not going to detail what exactly, how to set up an environment, how to, what sort of the library required, you can get in the requirement.txt. It's a Streamlit, Pillow, Pydantic, LangGraph, LangChain Core, Google Generative AI, Python.NET environment, and typing extension. Main thing is here is the primarily this solution is based on the two Python file. One is the app.ai POI, that's having a Streamlit interface UI part. Typically it's all, this is handling the UI part. Then second one is your medicine.py, this having all seven agent integration and implementation. Now let's directly jump to the demo part. So let me refresh this one. So yeah, so from the internet I have downloaded a couple of the images. So I'll go with one image in quickly. So I'll upload a x-ray, right? So what here, just click on the browse. This will give option to upload the any type of images. Here I have verified all five different types of images, and this tool is working on at least 80 to 90% giving the correct information. And let me upload this one, x-ray one. So once you upload, you can see about here the uploaded image detail, your image information. I mean, the what is the extension of the image, what is the size, 63 by 610 pixel, mod RGB, file size in KB, and you can also upload the multiple image as well, but better to go one by one. Once you upload the image, you will see this option in the right hand side. So let's give you about you are ready so for image analysis. and then typically it will take around 30 to 60 seconds once the image has been uploaded to analyze what exactly that image contain. I mean, what kind of disease, what is the possible treatment, what is the possible medicine or recommended medicine, what is the future treatment, and summary for the doctor. So let me quickly click on the analyze image. This typically takes some time. So here you can see in the top, its background process is running. So here you can also see the progress stage 2 by 7 performing initial analysis. So ideally, it will take around 30 seconds, based on 30 to 60 seconds, based on the nature of the uploaded image, and also the what type or what kind of disease that image contains. So yeah, so almost 60 second, and here we can see the three different tab. One is the full medical report, second one is the medication based on the disease identified post upload of the image, what sort of the medicine recommended by a physician or medical practitioner, then your care plan, your doctor summary. So let's quickly go one by one. So comprehensive medical analysis, this give you all everything about the image is technically adequate, PHS radiograph, right? So let's directly jump to the primary diagnosis. It's showing pulmonary tuberculosis. So confidence, yeah, good thing is here confidence is the 90%, as I mentioned earlier. It's give your uploaded image, detail of the uploaded image up to the 80 or 90%. So this time I can see the 90%, and then differential diagnosis, bacterial pneumonia, fungal pneumonia, blah blah. Root cause, this is the primary etiology of pulmonary tuberculosis is a infection by this microbacterium tuberculosis, and I'm not expert in that one, so I'll skip that part. Medicine, again, the three different type of medicine recommended for this disease. It says is isoniazid, rifampin, and pyrazinamide. Maybe my pronunciation would be not correct, because it's all medical medicine related, better taken care by the medical practitioner only. 2 week care plan, it's what you have to do. Week 1 and week 2, week day 1 to take all prescribed medicine daily strictly as directed, implement airborne isolation, blah blah. Important medical disclaimer. So this is the specifically I have added this one. Reason being, this is AI generated analysis is intended to support healthcare decision maker, but does not replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, and treatment. You can get this thing. This is again, it's I said earlier, this is the helping hand for a doctor or medical practitioner. They can also get a by watching the image or X-ray or CT scan or MRI. But post upload of this image, they can also whatever the AI given or summarize this image, they can also get some better understanding. Now coming to the this one, this is the full everything is there. Medical medication is already there, care plan, doctor summary, this is the important one, right? So this will give you all the summarize about what would be the next step, and what is the current step, and what doctors would have to consider at this moment. So clinical synopsis, the chest radiograph reveal extensive heterogeneous opacity, predominantly in the right upper and mid lung zones, characterized by confluent air space disease, nodular densititis, blah blah. Primary diagnosis, active cavitary pulmonary tuberculosis, 95% confidence. Critical action, airborne isolation, diagnostic confirmation, treatment initiation, public health notification, blah blah. So these are all about this one. So this image X-ray, this having a tuberculosis. Let's look for another one. That's your MRI. Here, let me upload quickly another image, and let me take this one MRI. This has been uploaded, so all the previous data has been cleared. Just you can see the basic information about the image, and again same thing, typical analysis typically take 30 to 60 seconds. We have to click on again analysis image, and then ideally this take around 30 to 60 seconds, because there is a in agentic there are seven different kind of agent has been involved, and there are two API call primarily made by agent 2. So it's for the API call 1 for the analysis, vision analysis, and then API call is made by the agent 6, that's giving your general treatment plan or all general information. So look like now almost 60 second has been passed. Now just pass. I can see here. Again, the medical image analysis report ID is generated, image type. Yeah, they can also identify what is the image type. It's a X-ray or MRI. Even if you are look for here X-ray, and if you upload the MRI, this you give you the MRI type. And what analysis system they have used? They have used the analysis system. Just the name of the system, and the image medical image analysis. So this is again, it's a brain MRI axial T1 post contrast. So primary diagnosis, let's jump to that point. It's saying the high grade glial neoplasm, highly suspicious of this GBM, confidence 95%. So it's some sort of the brain tuberculosis kind of information is there. And again, three different medicine recommendation, 2 week of take care plan, and then we have again come to the this one, the doctor summary. So again, this is saying the brain MRI reveal an extensive intensively contrast enhancing irregularity shape a inflammatory mass lesion within the right frontal lobe with a heterogeneous enhancement suggestive of a necrosis or cystic changes. So it's more doctor can understand. So this all about this tool. Go through my video and see if you find any interesting. Just let me know. And if you like this video, this tool and technology, just subscribe my YouTube channel. I'll keep posting. Now I was quite busy in last 6 months, so this would be my first video after 6 months due to the current project assignment and milestone, blah blah. That's all long story. So now we are in the end of second week of December. Typically, December month would be little bit relaxed. So I have already developed few more GenAI based utility. My target would to create a video and upload on my YouTube channel. I'll share my YouTube this video on the YouTube. Please like it, subscribe it. For stay tuned to get more about the whatever the tool I'm thinking or planning or I have already developed in LSH area. Primarily, I'm working in LSH area for over a decade, so I feel easy and happy and to develop any utility in that area. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Thank you once again.